wabarakatuh. In my opinion, in this day and age, applications are very much needed by many people. Of course, with applications that provide many benefits. One of them is the TikTok application. For some people, this application provides benefits because in the application there is also information about events or events that are currently happening. The term is currently booming. So, TikTok also provides benefits for people who do use the application correctly, meaning that it is not misused. I use the application just for fun, filling spare time. No, almost 2 hours of my time I spend playing TikTok. In the TikTok application, of course, there are negative and positive effects for many people. The positive effect, because there are no small posts about event, information about event that have occurred, sharing about religion and other positive things. I think this can also provide knowledge or motivation that we can take. The negative effect, not a few in this TikTok application, people share adult video, dating, and other indecent things. This, if seen by minors, will have an impact and will definitely want to imitate what they see. We already know that many teenagers have imitated the scan in TikTok. That means like intimate affection, so Ustad. The best application in my opinion for learning English is my Kamusku Inggris Indonesia. There we can translate and know English that we don't know yet. We can also learn how to read and know the right intonation in using English. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In my opinion, TikTok is an application that is quite helpful in everyday life. For example, such as eliminating boredom at home, especially now that there is a COVID-19 outbreak which requires us to stay at home, and with TikTok we can get rid of that boredom when at home. The positive effect is that we can become influencers on TikTok and get money. We can promote our merchandise on TikTok so that we can listen to preaching on TikTok. Our stories can listen to education on TikTok. We can get new knowledge and new friends on TikTok. While the negative effect is that it can make us addicted to handphone, and sometimes there are videos that contain violence that everyone can follow. I think the best application that can help improve our language skills in the Zenius application. In the application, we can learn English and various other subjects with short, solid, and clear explanation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
TikTok is an application made by China. This application belongs to the category of entertainment. In it, a lot of various kinds of videos, starting games, cooking, the latest news to foreign news. Not only that, there are also lectures on TikTok. Actually, the TikTok application will have a positive impact if we use it well. Number 2, the positive impact of TikTok is that we can get new knowledge that we don't know, get news that is viral, and also to other creatives such as cooking recipes, logic science, and many more. The negative impact of TikTok is that we can be consumed by hoax news that is spread. Lots of content that is inappropriate for young children to watch. Sometimes TikTok is also used as a pledge to show off wealth, and there are many other negative impacts. Number 3. YouTube. Because I like watching videos in English and have subtitles, it makes it easier for me to influence learning English.
From the positive side, I think TikTok can be a place to express talents, to education, preaching, business, promotions, tutorials, or just for fun. But viewed from the negative side, there are a lot of people who do strange and beneficial things that are not appropriate for many people to do and watch just for profit. Yes, it is. TikTok can have a negative or positive impact. How do they use it? The positive effect is to add insight and improve creativity, and the negative effect is social media addiction, forgetting time, increase laziness, lack of socializations, and inappropriate movements can be imitated by minors. I think the best of application improve for improve for improve the language is YouTube, because we can study from song with lyrics, and in the YouTube we can see vlog people for overseas talk with English. And once again, I suggestion also for use application Kamus English offline for increase your language ability. You can find vocabulary and it is free. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Number 1, my opinions. TikTok, it's pretty cool application with nudge user to express themselves and share creative and interesting content. Actually, back to the user, what do you want to do with that application? Myself like a TikTok content humor. There are many other creative and many other information. Number 2, my opinion is positive effect can encourage one to the edge in creativity, be able to express oneself, many creative content such as cooking recipe, health knowledge, up-to-date the information, and for entertainment. Its negative effect TikTok can the indirect effect is that TikTok causes a generation of youth to a naturalist way. When being too creative for funny and interactive video to be unable to judge what is appreciated and what is not. What was of time social interaction is minimum, the potential cyberbullying and bedtime is irregular. Number 3, the best application in my opinions for learning English, it's my U-Dictionary, because I can figure out the meaning of a word and acquire new vocabulary. The U-Dictionary is short WordPress application, but it can also be used by camera to location a version of the candid photos, and the U-Dictionary application is able to translate word in 38 different language. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Aurel Fitran Rawan. Here I will explain a little of my opinion about TikTok.
Okay, I think TikTok is one of the places where we can show our talents, abilities, and hobbies. Many people think negatively about TikTok, but I think TikTok has a positive effect on me. Since I use TikTok, I have found many good people. Many people who spread goodness. Many people share very useful knowledge that I don't know yet. Sometimes, when I'm feeling sad, there are many words on TikTok make me feel good again. Indeed, TikTok sometimes makes us forget about the time, but it comes back to us how to be able to share our time as best as possible. In my experience, it is not application that makes my language skills improve, but by watching more Western films with Indonesian translations, in my opinion, it is more understandable.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Vega Anggraini. In this video, I will tell my opinion about 3 questions. Number 1, what do you think about TikTok? In my opinion, this application contains a lot of negative side than positive side because not everyone can use it well. Number 2, is there any positive or negative effect of TikTok for everyone? Explain. Of course there is. Namely, from the negative is that we waste a lot of time. Then there are many videos that show men and women rocking, and many people use offensive language in this application. As for the positive, people can pour their creativity, and there are a lot of educational videos that can motivate, and not a few people who preach through this application. Number 3, what is the best application on Android that can help you to increase your language ability? Explain. The first, Google, because it makes it easier for us to find words that we don't know yet. Second, YouTube, because there are many channels that teach English. And the last, Telegram, because there are many films in English that can be used as a learning tool, such as Harry Potter. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.